Jeep Wrangler gets a fresh new look. The updated Jeep Wrangler was shown at the LA Auto Show, and the iconic vehicle retains its rugged roots and distinctive looks but adds some modern touches. This Wrangler is lighter and more fuel efficient thanks to aluminum doors, hinges, fender flares and windshield frames that help lower its weight and improve gas mileage. Coming to dealerships in January, new features include a more aerodynamic windshield that can fold down, a backup camera in the middle of the rear-mounted spare tire, a push-button start, and the latest in-car entertainment system. Hyundai unveils 2018 Kona crossover. The Kona crossover is the first of 7 crossover utility vehicles the South Korean automaker will introduce to the United States market by 2020. Hyundai describes the exterior design theme as urban smart armor and features a cascading grille and aggressive body styling complemented by a low and wide stance. Meet the Aria FXE concept supercar. The Aria FXE concept supercar is making an appearance at the auto show, and the price starts at a mere $650,000. For that price you get a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 4-wheel drive hybrid engine that is slated to deliver 1,150 horsepower, hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds and have a top speed of 210 miles per hour. Lincoln renames its top midsize SUV. Ford's luxury unit decided to rename its best-selling vehicle after a sea creature as the Lincoln MKX becomes the Lincoln Nautilus. Lincoln reclaimed its iconic front signature grille, and the new Nautilus has space for up to 5 passengers. It also features more head and legroom because of redesigned seating, plus lumbar massages to reduce fatigue. Kia's Sorento SUV is an off-road monster. Kia showed off the off-road capabilities of its 2019 Sorento SUV. Satcher Hab, Vice President of Marketing Communications for Kia Motors America, said the 2019 Sorento has a capability that's unexpected with a crossover utility vehicle. Nissan stylish little Kicks SUV. The Nissan Kicks SUV packs plenty of style and technology into a small package. It's loaded with features, including automatic emergency braking, Bose audio, a 7-inch infotainment screen and an available 7-inch driver information display in the gauge cluster, along with optional Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity and 3 USB ports. Toyota FT-X SUV concept goes outdoors. Toyota unveiled an SUV concept that targets outdoor enthusiasts, including cyclists and hikers. The future Toyota Adventure concept, or FT-X, has prominent black cladding around the wheel wells, 20-inch tires, metallic green paint with a white top, silver trim and a bike rack. Toyota says the fog lights can be taken out from their pods and used as portable lights or attached to a mountain bike for occasional night rides.